This is a certified pre-owned 2008 Ford Super Duty. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 6.4-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a limited slip differential, skid plates, chrome wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: solar tinted glass, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned Certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Not to mention that this Ford qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.